The automation program at the Monroe facility started in the mid-2000s with our laser marking wire processing production. We used robotics to load our wire processors, and we were able to fully automate at least 3 machines, and then that grew to 6 more. Also around the same time, we integrated our first laser welders with vision and motion control, which allowed our operators to be twice as efficient as they normally would be using semi-automation. From there, automation just became part of our culture, and we use it as a tool to solve any problem in a manufacturing setting. The automation program has evolved in many ways. Since I've been here, we've expanded our capabilities, our technical competencies around robotics, vision, part disposition, feeders and conveyor belts. We're also taking on bigger challenges, fully automated lines, expanding our capacity to not only do component level work, but also fully assembled devices. I think we've seen our biggest improvement by automation in our laser welding department. We have over 30 vision-guided, motion-controlled laser welders. And each one of those is a semi-automated machine, which basically doubles the capacity of an operator working on that work center. So while they're loading, tooling, the machine is doing the welding process. Other places we've seen big improvements are inspection. Inspection is the biggest overhead in any manufacturing process. If we can lighten the load on inspection using cameras or other automated gauges, that has a huge impact on the margin that we can assume from these processes.